Hello, El Paso Gridley Band students. It's Mr. J bringing you your weekly band announcements from my house on Saturday, October 24th. Talking about the announcements for October 26th through the 30th. As always, contact information, etc. is on that front slide, so click there if you need to contact us. Junior high kids, if you have not returned your school instrument contract or the money, please do that as soon as possible. This upcoming Friday is a chorus day or 8th grade band, and we have 7th grade lessons this week. Please make sure that you're checking your emails because I've been sending out information every once a week to keep everyone up to date. Sign up for the reminds and follow us on YouTube so that you can get the videos as well. If you are interested in jazz band, I need to know how many kids are interested in doing jazz. That's open to any 6th grader, 7th grader, or 8th grader. I will teach you a jazz instrument if you want to learn one, or if you want to play your regular instrument, I'll rewrite the music. I just need to get an idea of my rosters because we're working on setting up the jazz schedule for this COVID-19 year. Also, same game if you're interested in combo. I need you to click the link so that you can get signed up. All right. High schoolers, instrument contracts are due as soon as possible with your fee. Please do that ASAP. This upcoming Friday is a chorus day, and here's a link to view the remote learning info document. Make sure that you're checking your email, follow us on Remind, follow the YouTube so that you can stay up to date. Again, if you are interested in jazz band or combo, I need to know as soon as possible because we're working on creating the schedules for those. So here's the link. Click them. Your assignments, junior high kids, I forgot to mention that. Please practice every day that you don't have band or a lesson during school, 10 minutes at least. There's lots of links on Google Classroom. You can go out there. You can also, 5th graders, be practicing your Traditional Excellence book, page 8 and page 9. The 6th graders, 7th graders, 8th graders, you've got scale pages, you've got music books, you can find recordings out there to play along with. Just play your instrument. Play something fun. Play something fun. High schoolers, practice every day that you don't have band. So, chorus kids, that means that you should practice Tuesday, Thursday, Friday this week. 10 minutes minimum. Do it. Then all the links are out there on Google Classroom. You can also use MuseScore, 8notes.com, etc., etc. This is my advocacy minute from last week. We were talking about fundamentals. I'll come up with a new advocacy minute for next week. If you have any questions about COVID-19 or about band, please reach out to me. I'll be sending out an email over the weekend with a link to the high school band doing a super cool pep band performance yesterday. I just didn't want to make it a public thing, so I'm keeping it off of this video and out of these slides. So I'll be sending that out by email. So keep your eyes out for a super cool performance from the high school band kiddos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a very good weekend, everyone. Bye.